Everyone, my name is Adisi Oluchi, aka Lulu for short. You're welcome to my channel, and this is my first official YouTube video. Yes, cheer me on. Thank you. You're welcome once again to my channel, and today I'm going to be taking you through the course of how to change your background. Yes, you heard me right. You see, this is my background. It's actually fake. I'm presently in my room, and what you're seeing is not my room. So I'm going to take you through the course of how to change your backgrounds, how to use CapCut Pro features for free, and also how to edit your videos. Yes, you heard me right. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into it. So you go to your CapCut app, click on new project, then pick a picture, your background picture. I got my picture from Pinterest and get you from anywhere. And yes, you adjust the background picture to the size, length of your video. I think my video is about 1 minute 17 seconds. I can't remember. I think so. Then the next thing is to overlay. You click on overlay, add overlay, then go to the video section and search for the video you want to add. I click on add, and after it has loaded, then it's time to click on aspect ratio. As for YouTube measurement, aspect ratio for YouTube is about 16.9. Yes, this one 16.9. You can see the difference from the original and the YouTube aspect ratio. Then it's time to adjust the background. And you adjust the background to fit the screen. Try to minimize the video so that you're able to see what you are adjusting, see how you're adjusting your background. I think this is okay. I think I like this. Oh, okay, let me adjust it a bit. Yeah, perfect. Then you also adjust the video so how you want it to be aligned on the background. So next is to remove the background of the video. Please don't make mistake by removing the background itself. Remove the background of the video. So you click on remove background, auto remove background. Then you also have to be patient because this takes a while to load. But for the purpose of this video, we're not going to wait for it to load all through. So I'm just going to cut it out. And so yes, background successfully removed. Then you click on the tick sign, then you adjust to fit the screen. So what I'm doing here, I want the video to be at the center. Yes, so I'm going to adjust it. I think this is fine like this. Yeah, I like this. I like it like this. Yeah, this is fine. I love this. So we're going to blur the background, not the video background, the picture background. So we click on the picture background, then click on effects, click on video effects. Then we're going to search for blur, BLUR, blur. Then you click on blur and you click on the tick sign. As you can see, the picture background itself has been blurred. So we're going to go back to the video effect again. You can see the blur is still highlighted. Then we're going to adjust to blur so at least people can be able to see our environment. I think 9 is fine. Yeah, 9 is fine. Yep. Then I'll click on check. I'm okay with this and see how everything looks. This is both the picture background and everything. This is how everything is going to appear. So it's time to adjust to edit our videos, make it brighter, make it appealing to the eyes. Yep. So, and please do not forget to make sure that the picture background and the video is the same length. Please also make sure you cross check this every time, please, so that your work doesn't get scattered at any point in time. So then we click on adjust to edit our videos, make it more brighter. Then we start with contrast. Contrast, I think contrast to be, this is not like a standard, it's just a measurement that you can walk around with. Just as you are aligning, as you are picking, arranging your videos, as you're adjusting your videos, make sure that when you're picking a specific number for each of these filters, you're looking at what you're adjusting. So sharpen should be around 50 or 60. Either 50 or 60 is fine. Yeah, 60 is perfect because I like the way it looks. Then highlights about 39 or 40, between 39 or 40. Then shadows, I usually use 15 for shadows is 15. Then we go back to HSL. So for this, you can just play around with it. So the colors I use are red, orange, and yellow, and sometimes I use pink. That's depending on the color of my outfits, on the color of the background, and my skin tone. So you can just play around with colors just as you're adjusting, as I'm making adjustments. Just look at how the video you're editing looks like. Once you're satisfied with it, then I think you're good to go. Yeah, so then pink. So I think I'm fine with this. Now click on check. Yes, so everything has been adjusted. The filters has reflected on every aspect of the video. So it's time to use the pro feature. As you can see that the enhanced voice and the volume are unclickable. So we all have to do, we have to export that video, have to save it, then come back again. Yep, so you also have to be patient when exporting. So we're done with exporting. Then we need to click the X sign. Okay, here, so I want to show you something. When you click the X sign, if you are to continue from saved projects, the enhanced voice and the volume wouldn't still be clickable because CapCut will assume that you want to continue from where you stop. No, so you have to click on new projects and click on the saved video that you saved to your gallery. So it as CapCut will assume that you want to start afresh, like a new video. So then you see enhanced video and volume is clickable, and you click on enhanced video. You can see that is a pro feature. So here also you also need to be patient. Then click the check sign. Then you also increase the volume. I normally use 100 because I want it to be very loud and clear.
Hi.
Yeah, so to check it out, this is how it's supposed to be. So here what you have to do now is to screen record so you can get the audio. When you screen record, then you take away the enhanced pro feature. As you can see, the pro sign is no longer showing at the top. So when the screen recorded video has been successfully saved to your phone, next thing you need to do is to mute the clip audio. Then click on audio, then click on extract, then click on the video you want the audio to be extracted from. Then the audio gets extracted. Then you need to check for any form of silence. You need to make adjustments so that your mouth moves with the sound of the audio. When your mouth is moving, the audio is the same thing with what the audio is saying. And after that, your video is ready, you're good to go. It's now time for you to export your video, and voila, that's all. You can see it's very simple as ABC. So no more excuses anymore. Create your content.
So guys, that's how you can change your backgrounds and also use the CapCut Pro features for free. Yes. So you that have excuse of not creating your content, the excuse has been thrown away. So you can create your content easily without no form of excuse. Remember, content is king and consistency is queen. So if you are still here, please hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button. You can also turn on the notification button so that you get notified when I post amazing videos such as this. Please share this video to your loved ones and also drop your comments in the comment section for any observations, additions, or anything you want me to shed more light on. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.